Team Octane Incube welcomes you. While the likes of Toyota, General Motors and Daimler Trucks are still out testing semi-trailer trucks powered by hydrogen, Hyundai already has one in production, in the form of the Xcient fuel cell. The Hyundai Xcient is the first mass-produced hydrogen-powered, heavy-duty truck. Design and performance improvements have made it more competitive, with those expected from Mercedes-Benz, Toyota, and Nikola. These trucks will haul payloads of consumer goods, emitting nothing but clean water. The operations will be backed by a robust green hydrogen ecosystem, says Hyundai. Leveraging more than 20 years of experience in fuel cell technology, Hyundai Motor moves further on its vision of an eco-friendly hydrogen society. In 2019, Hyundai Motor Company formed Hyundai Hydrogen Mobility, HHM, a joint venture with Swiss company H2 Energy. HHM also is partnering with Hydrospider, a joint venture of H2 Energy, Alpiq and Linde. Hyundai will contribute to widespread adoption of hydrogen-powered commercial vehicles with the 2021 Xcient fuel cell. Xcient fuel cell's 180 kW hydrogen fuel cell system has two 90 kW fuel cell stacks. Improved durability and fuel efficiency have made it more competitive with others in its class. A 350 kW e-motor with 2,237 Nm torque is said to provide dynamic driving performance. Seven large fuel tanks hold 31 kilograms, while a 72 kilowatt-hour set of batteries supplies power. The maximum driving range is around 400 kilometers. Refueling a full tank of hydrogen takes anywhere from 8 to 20 minutes, depending on ambient temperature. I6 X2 rigid body as well as the 4X2 option are available. On safety front, it has front collision avoidance assist, FCA, smart cruise control, SEC, electronic braking system, EBS, vehicle dynamic control, VDC, ABS is included in VDC, lane departure warning, LDW. Hyundai shipped 46 Xcient fuel cell units to Switzerland last year. Their cumulative range is 750,000 kilometers as of May 2021. Over that distance, the hydrogen-powered trucks reduced carbon emissions by an estimated 585 tons versus diesel-powered vehicles. Hyundai chose Switzerland as the starting point for its business venture for various reasons. One of the reasons is the Swiss LSVA road tax on commercial vehicles, which does not apply for zero-emission trucks. That nearly equalizes the hauling costs per kilometer of the fuel cell truck compared to a regular diesel truck. Hyundai's business case involves using purely clean hydrogen generated from hydropower. To truly reduce carbon emissions, all of the trucks need to run on only green hydrogen. Switzerland is the country with one of the highest shares of hydropower globally, and can therefore deliver sufficient green energy for the production of hydrogen. Once the project is underway in Switzerland, Hyundai plans to expand it to other European countries as well. Switzerland will receive 140 additional Xcients by year's end. 1,600 heavy-duty fuel cell electric trucks will be in Europe by 2025. The delivery of Xcient fuel cell marks the official entry of Hyundai's commercial vehicles in the European market, a touchstone for the company's expansion into the North American and Chinese commercial markets. The delivery of Xcient fuel cell starts a new chapter not only for Hyundai's hydrogen push, but also the global community's use of hydrogen as a clean energy source, and is just beginning as it opens endless possibilities for clean mobility. Hyundai said, with successful delivery of the Xcient fuel cell trucks, we proudly announce our plan to expand beyond Europe to North America and China, where we are already making great progress. Production capacity of the Xcient fuel cell will reach 2,000 units per year by 2021 to support its expansion into Europe, the US and China, as demand for clean mobility grows. The increase in capacity will be backed by a $1.3 billion investment, in addition to a previously announced $6.4 billion stake in establishing a hydrogen ecosystem to support creation of a hydrogen society. In the US, Hyundai is collaborating with logistics leaders to supply mass-produced fuel cell heavy-duty trucks. To back this plan, Hyundai is partnering with companies to build a complete hydrogen value chain, covering everything from hydrogen production and charging stations to service and maintenance. The North American market will also get a 6x4 tractor model. By 2030, Hyundai expects more than 12,000 fuel cell trucks to hit the US roads. Hyundai also is working with various parties in China, which aims to get 1 million hydrogen vehicles on its roads by 2030, as the country's hydrogen industry is on a sharp growth trend, creating massive potential.